This mic can be used like this, or like this, or even like this, or in many other ways. What is up, everyone? This is Jojo the Techie, and today we're looking at a wireless microphone that is truly magic, as it is truly 4 different microphones in one. But is it good enough to replace a bag full of audio gear for content creators on the go? Let's find out. First off, what do you get in the box? The standard kit comes with 2 tiny transmitters, a USB-C receiver, our charging case, magnetic pads, a carrying pouch, a windshield, and a charging cable. However, the kit that I was sent by BOYA with this review sample also came with a lightning receiver for iPhones and a 3.5mm TRS receiver for DSLRs and other cameras, among other accessories. Now, let's talk about the magic of this microphone. It is shape-shifting, meaning that first and foremost, obviously, you can use it as a wireless lavalier mic. The transmitters are super lightweight, only 7 grams, and very, very small, so you can clip them onto your shirt without it weighing you down. They also include magnetic clips for more mounting options. But what's really cool is the charging case. It's not just for charging, it also can be used as a handheld microphone. Just pop the transmitters in and you got a handheld mic for interviewing or vlogging. I think this vlogging option is actually my favorite so far. Now, if you're a podcaster or a streamer, or you do a lot of voiceovers, you can also use the BOYA Magic as a desktop microphone. All you have to do is plug in the USB receiver to your PC or Mac and make sure that they are paired, which happens automatically with the provided receiver. If you have an Android or an iPhone, you can also plug in the receiver directly to your phone's USB or even Lightning port with the provided Lightning receiver. You will need to buy the desktop stand separately though, or use a mic arm like I'm doing here, but it's a nice option to have. Finally, you can mount the receiver directly onto your camera's cold shoe, and it acts as a compact on-camera microphone. This is great for run and gun shooting when you don't have the time to set up a lavalier mic. So, how does it sound? The BOYA Magic records in 48 kHz 24-bit audio, which is pretty standard for a microphone in this class. It has a nice wide dynamic range, so it can handle both quiet and loud sounds without distorting. At least that's what I found in my testing. But the real standout feature is the AI noise cancellation. It has 2 modes: light, which reduces background noise by about -15 decibels, and strong, which can reduce it by up to -40 decibels. I was really impressed with how well this worked. I was able to record clean audio even with a lot of background noise, like traffic or crowds. Now here are some examples of how the BOYA Magic sounded in different scenarios, devices, and with or without the noise cancellation on. This is a video with the Osmo Pocket 3 using the external mic and no noise cancellation. This is a video from the Osmo Pocket 3 using the DJI mini mic clip-on with no voice isolation turned on. This is a video from the Osmo Pocket 3 using the DJI mini mic and using voice isolation. This is a video with the Osmo Pocket 3 using the BOYA mic and no noise cancellation. And this is a video using the Osmo Pocket 3 and using the BOYA mic with noise cancellation. This is a video from my Pixel 10 Pro without using any voice isolation. This is a video from the Pixel 10 Pro using voice isolation that's built into the phone. This is video from the Pixel 9 Pro using the BOYA mic receiver and transmitter, the small clip-on. This is video from the Pixel 9 Pro using the BOYA mic, transmitter, and receiver, and using noise canceling. This is a recording using the BOYA mic connected to my Android device, which is a Pixel 10 Pro. I'm going to be testing right now. I have a split screen view showing the recorder app where I'm recording to and showing the BOYA Magic app in the bottom where I'm going to be controlling, switching between no noise cancellation to light cancellation to strong noise cancellation. So here we go. This is right now without any noise cancellation. And it automatically defaults to strong. which I noticed it kind of clips the voice a little bit depending on the environment. So switching from strong over to weak. Let's see how that differs. Right now it's using weak noise cancellation at minus 15 dB. And we're going to switch again over to strong noise cancellation. And this is what it sounds like when you use the strong setting. You tell me if you can notice a difference. Another great feature you can enable is the safety track. This records as second track at minus 12 decibels, so if your main track clips, you have a backup. This is a lifesaver for interviews or any situation where you can't really control the sound levels on the go. The battery life is also pretty solid. The company claims that each transmitter gets about 6 hours of use, and the charging case gives you a total of 30 hours. I haven't tested that to that extent, but if it even gets close to that, that's more than enough for a full day of shooting. So, what's my overall impression of the BOYA Magic? I have to say, I'm really impressed. It's incredibly versatile, and the AI noise cancellation is a game changer. It's not going to replace a high-end professional microphone, but for content creators who need an easy-to-use wireless system, the BOYA Magic is a fantastic option, especially for the price. The BOYA Magic is currently retailing for $89.99 for the basic kit, and goes up to about $110 if you want to go all the way with the accessories and the bells and whistles. Now that's a really good value for a mic that does so much. If you're interested in checking out the BOYA Magic for yourself, I have a link in the description below. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.